break down the step-by-step visual map to find your Wise routing number on both the desktop and mobile layouts, the critical difference between an ACH routing number and a wire routing number, and the exact step required to unlock these details if your dashboard layout says they are restricted. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. You've set up Wise to receive international payments or direct deposits from platforms like Stripe. But when sharing your details, you'll notice Wise provides two different routing numbers. Copying the wrong one into a payroll portal will cause an instant system rejection. Before we look inside the app interface, you need to know which code your transaction actually requires based on how your sender is transmitting the capital. An ACH routing number is an electronic 9-digit institutional identifier used for standard automated bank deposits, recurring payroll payouts, or platform withdrawals from companies like Stripe, Upwork, and PayPal. It is completely free to receive, but it takes 1 to 3 business days to clear. A wire routing number is a specialized 9-digit identifier utilized for high-priority, same-day manual bank wire transfers executed inside the domestic banking grid. It is processed almost instantly by the Federal Reserve Network but carries a flat provider fee. If someone is trying to send you a standard direct deposit payroll, and you copy the wire routing number from Wise by mistake, the database transaction ledger will fail, and your money will bounce back. To make sure that never happens, let's open the dashboard and pull the correct information. Here is how to find both numbers in under 30 seconds using the mobile app layout. Launch your Wise mobile app and log in via your biometric security gate. Look at the top horizontal dock of your Home tab. This layout displays your active currency wallets. Tap directly on your USD balance bubble. Right below your main dollar balance figure, look for the Quick Action button cluster and tap the icon that says To Account Details. The screen interface will immediately split into 2 clean subtabs, inside the US and outside the US. Tap Inside the US. This action reveals your official account holder name, your unique checking account number, and the clear separation of your ACH routing number and your wire routing number. Simply tap the copy icon next to the ACH line to use it for standard direct deposits. If you click the Outside the US subtab instead, the interface will hide the domestic routing details and swap them for your SWIFT BIC code, which is the international code that clients located outside America need to send money to that same USD wallet. Now you know how to navigate your Wise routing account details and unlock restricted numbers using a standard balance top-up. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.